The news circulating on social media right now is that Nyokaya Bunu, aka Jeremiah Masiwa, says Chavundoka in an audio circulating on social media. He says Shivayo offices, Nyangujga, and Mr. Kudakwashita Gure fuel station were all bombed last night. So I got this information from COZWVA, and they said they to confirm, and then within some few minutes or seconds they then come back and said civic office bombing has been confirmed, and these are the pictures that I will show you guys. These are the pictures that you see. There is said to petrol bombed a car at Wicknow's Starlink offices in Newlands, Zimbabwe. Let's pray for peace, love, and unity. And then from this post from COZWVA, is a human rights defender kind of thing organization on X, formerly Twitter. People then commented, sending pictures of the bombed car and everything. And then somebody commented that I confirm Taguire's offices in Newlands were played with last night. Interesting stuff unfolding. Let's get to hear what you think about all this.